In a fantastic neighborhood sits this 6-bedroom home with 3 bathrooms home. The large front entry has a large double closet and access to the 3-car heated garage with 220 wiring. Vaulted ceilings showcase open floor plan with living room, dining room and kitchen. Master bedroom with 2 closet and sweater closet and spacious master bath. Main floor laundry. Hardwood floors in foyer, kitchen and dining room. Oak kitchen with breakfast bar and pantry. Full finished basement with large family room that boasts a unique one-of-a-kind built-in steampunk-style entertainment center and room for game table. The 6th bedroom could also be used as an office or craft room. It has separate garage entrance to bay.